God have mercy. Wagwan people, I'm Akeem Boothe and welcome to the first Moments by Boothe vlog. This will be a vlog that will be documenting the days of my life, recording and capturing the moments that matters most to me. Now today we'll be heading to Alamar Villa in St. Elizabeth for my friend Althea's birthday weekend extravaganza. But before we head out, I'd like to give a special heartfelt thanks to the persons who made this YouTube channel possible for me, bringing in things for me, bringing in the different equipment and devices and things that I've been using or will be using to run this channel. I have their names right here, so I just want to big them up and to tell them that I'm eternally grateful for them doing me the favor of bringing in these things for me. Alright, so I want to big up Ricky, Kim, Casey, Feast, Auntie Marcia, your large, Miss Chin, Donald, and I also want to big up the persons who will be helping me out with this whole vlog, which is Hassana and Jalil. They'll be on graphics, and Young Fresh Records, my brethren Nick, my cousin, my brother, family, you know yourself. He'll be on the different sound effects, and if I miss out anyone, I just want to say I'm sorry. But whilst I'm doing this video, these are the persons that come to mind. I wrote their names down. But if I miss anyone, big up on themselves same way. And a special, very special thanks also goes out to the persons in my corner, gassing the heck out of me to start this thing. Now, I 100% believe in myself, but when you have persons in your corner that believes in you as well, so many of them, it really means a lot to you, and it really motivates you and drives you to do exceptionally well. But enough of the chattings. I know I'm ready for the video. When you're ready, run me intro. Now, I know it's your first time here, but if you like this video, please consider subscribing and also hitting the thumbs up button in the description below, and maybe even sharing this video with a friend. Now we're about to go pick up my friend Keelan. She is riding with me to St. Elizabeth, as well as my virgin Brad and my next friend Christina. So we're off to go pick them up. And as soon as we get to them, I'll get back with you guys. Alright? Talk soon. Best believe, say, I'm on my way to go pick up Killian, and I don't even remember where Killian lives. I have a general idea. As for Brad, I don't know where Brad lives, none at all. And then Christina, now I have a general idea where Christina lives, but I don't know 100%. But I'm gonna have to message them at some point to figure out, well, let them send me them location so I can know exactly where to go pick them up. So yeah, we're still out here on the way to get these guys to then head to St. Elizabeth. I'm pretty much very excited, I must say. This is what, like the second or third time I'm going to be going to St. Elizabeth, but the first time I'll be staying in St. Elizabeth. So very much excited about this trip. I have heard a lot of good things about St. Elizabeth. But me, it's a treasure beach dangerous though. That's the one thing I'm here. So I want to see this dangerous treasure beach. Oh yeah, man, road trip.
Control the road or control us?
I'm not control it with this. Yes, that's everybody. Yeah. Yeah, I say I go try to vlog the weekend and see what.
Oh, yeah?
You can turn around now. I suppose you want a road view.
Oh, the road view? Yeah. You can just screw out the thumb screw this and then flip it.
Do you want to get some of the road? Oh, you're gonna do that eventually.
Eventually.
That's what I'm saying.
Who boring?
Do it.
So Keelan, Brad, Christina, and now we're waiting on the birthday girl, Althea.
And the rest of the crew.
Oh yes, sorry guys, I forget where everybody else. I want to go see this.
No?
I get a freeze. A freeze?
No, we just got fix my clothes.
Oh, right.
Export. There they are.
I wanna pull up so fast.
Thank you. See me here. Tell her to.
Hi.
Ashley in there? Where's Ashley? Ash!
Ashley, can't see you, but hi.
Damn. So hold on, I think that we don't go Sarah, you there with him?
You think it's not up for some reason? I don't know.
Guess not.
I'm scared.
Sarah was traveling.
No, we're not traveling with them, but
Coming no.
yeah.
Because she got stuck over Tara. Maybe Tara never ready. Because she did say, well, I never o'clock.
Alright.
And we're off.
Oh yeah. Easy, Mr. Chit. Hi friend. Birthday girl and such.
Hello, people.
I doubt it's picking you up in terms of you talking, because I'm gonna put on the
You know what? I want to
Microphone.
stop in Holland Bamboo.
what the hell that? I have no idea.
Holland Bamboo, the famous place where people stop and take photos. I would like that too.
I see around there higher than this girl. Hi.
Where's Althea in?
This one.
Where's she?
That's not. Oh, please, no. Not for the vlog.
Not for the vlog. Oh please no, not for the vlog.
Oh, these look nice.
No,
That
kiss, you
look-
can't have any.
Ooh, that look good.
You can't have
Maybe
any.
wait until the plastic is off.
Or
Because it's going in the fridge. Yeah. Brad, put it
And you are?
straight underneath this. Huh?
And you are?
Tristan.
Alright. And your business is?
Wow. I wish I was ready. My business is Pastry Factory. Show them the sticker. There it is. On all social media platforms. We can't do this vlogging business.
Come in, doctor.
What about this vlogging life? Let me vlog you.
No.
You're vlogging life. I feel like you're zoom.
Somebody door not lock. Alright, so look right now on the man.
Okay, good?
Ah yeah, brother. Yeah, him on the good one.
Nice clean people in front of back.
Alright, so today we're at Alamar Villa in St. Elizabeth. We're here for my friend Althea's birthday. Oh, I forgot I'm supposed to be looking in the camera. Alright, so let me show it to you guys. That's what it looks like. So we're about to head inside. I'm going to flip the camera around so we can see what's going on, alright? This is Beverly and Renee, right?
Yes.
All right. And they're preparing what I would imagine is dinner at this point for us. Got that pig stew. Curry chicken. See a whole bunch of ground provisions over there. Seasonings, ackee, plantain, all kind of sitting and going. I mean, I food man, you know. You realize I come to kitchen first. Everybody has gone to pool. I kitchen me there. So thank you. This is the master. Magnifique. Magnifique. Make sure you're sexy if you come out, you know. Make sure you're sexy if you... Lord God have mercy. Jesus.
Let me just move it forward. Vloggy back. Body, yaddy. Oh my God.
We hate to see her leave, but we love to see her go. Jesus. Oh, so nice and clean. So people, this is the birthday girl. No, doing birthday girl-like things. I mean,
just getting ready for the pool.
makeup, you know, for the pool. Talk to me. Makeup for the pool. Why, ladies, I tell you.
Just have to go something. Look at eyebrow.
But yes,
My ass?
my friend fully come out. I'll leave her alone and make she get ready. Join it! Them are go sick of me and the vlogging. So this will be my humble abode. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. I have a little sneak peek of a view. But not nobody. So I'm gonna get on Baka bush room. Yeah. Just fine. This is the shower. But out here or inside here where the room is where the magic happens. So I have a outdoor shower right here, which is pretty nice. Ladies, you know where I go on. Need I say more? Trouble spot. Trust me. Trouble.
Main event is now here.
I'm cooking it nice, no?
I can't.
Who's vlogging for you?
So it's the evening time now. It's time to go for dinner.
What time?
I'm just waiting on my friend Killian. Yeah man, nice and clean. Clean and cute. So are you enjoying your birthday, that's why?
It's great.
I forgot how I mean the next birthday videographer. Follow you around everywhere.
legit following me around.
And you know hot girl have to do hot girl things. So I wait on Keelan for the right thing.
I'm ready.
Beer things are going. Beer things are going.
Yeah.
Hi Tara.
Yeah. Yeah, bitch control.
So Keely, I'll see you guys downstairs. Hot girl Tara. Yeah. Food smell good. Trust me. Wagwan. It's when the magic happens. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. My favorite time of the day, you know. Food time. Big Papa.